Stay prepared and organized wherever you go with these EDC Pocket multi-tools, compact, versatile, and built to tackle everyday challenges. Tired of struggling with network cables? Meet the ultimate tool, the Network Wire Stripper Punch-Down Cutter. This all-in-one tool makes cable prep fast and simple. Strip wires with precision for a clean and professional finish. Punch down connections in seconds, no slipping, no hassle, just a secure, reliable fit every time. Designed for comfort and durability, it's perfect for installers, IT pros, or DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're setting up your home network or handling a big installation, this tool has you covered. Upgrade your toolkit today and make your network projects effortless. Say hello to the Spider Tool Holster, the ultimate solution for keeping your tools handy and secure. This innovative holster system uses a universal clip that works with drills, hammers, tape measures, and more. With its quick draw design, you'll save time and stay productive, whether you're on a ladder, in the workshop, or out on site. Built for the toughest jobs, the Spider Tool Holster ensures your tools are secure and always within reach. Spider Tool Holster, your tools, your way. Get yours today. Meet the Smart RSQ Credit Card Multi-Tool, 15 tools in one, and it fits right in your wallet. From a screwdriver to a bottle opener, a box cutter to a ruler, this compact powerhouse handles everyday tasks effortlessly. Perfect for your adventures or emergencies, it's built with durable, stainless steel for ultimate reliability. At just the size of a credit card, the Smart RSQ Multi-Tool ensures you're always prepared, without the bulk. Smart RSQ, your everyday hero in the palm of your hand. Grab yours now! Introducing the Costco Shifter Multi-Position Folding Hand Truck and Cart, the ultimate tool for all your heavy lifting needs. With its quick conversion design, switch between a two-wheel hand truck and a four-wheel cart, no tools needed. Whether it's stacking boxes or shifting bulky furniture, the Costco Shifter handles up to 300 pounds with ease. Built tough for the heaviest jobs, yet lightweight and compact enough to fit in your car or closet. From the garage to the office, or your next big move, the Costco Shifter has got you covered. Say hello to the Night Eyes Cam Jam XT Aluminum Rope Tightener, the ultimate tool for securing loads with confidence. This durable, aluminum construction tightener works with ropes up to 3/16 inches, giving you unmatched strength and precision. From outdoor adventures to DIY projects, the Cam Jam XT makes tying, tightening, and securing a breeze. Adjust tension effortlessly and lock it in place. No complicated knots, just reliable results every time. Make your life easier with the Night Eyes Cam Jam XT, lightweight, strong, and built to perform.
This life is a dark